When we think of art, we consider and applaud the immense hard work and time that goes into making great artworks. The value of an art piece is also defined by its novelty and the effort and time that an art piece has consumed. Then add the artist's royalty, and we have a masterpiece at our hands. These art pieces are displayed in art galleries that rightly applaud the artist's talent and creativity. But what if I told you that this process of creating art might become AI-generated very soon? So soon that artists fear their jobs are at stake right now. The artificial intelligence company OpenAI is well ahead in the game of text-derived image generation. What is this technology, and will it overthrow the very human quality of creating art? Join us today as we explore the technology and its future in this video. Let's take a look at digital image generation first. What is it? Let's say you want a painter to do your portrait. You would describe the image you want to the artist, what details you want, and what colors you prefer. In some time, the artist will do the job for you. Now, remove the human artist from this scene and put AI in their place. Believe it or not, there are technologies able to draw an image so realistic to a provided description that, at first, it seems impossible that an AI has generated it. OpenAI is the company behind the new AI system Dall-e, which can create images and art from a description provided to the program. Now, you may expect these low-quality images to be very recognizable as computer-generated, but they aren't. The program is so advanced that the images are very realistic, and you can't tell that they're not man-made. Dall-e 2. The AI Dall-e may be a tribute to the Spanish surrealist artist Salvador Dali. It is a product of OpenAI. The company was founded by Elon Musk, along with some other tech giants, with the goal of creating a positive long-term human impact. These innovators believe that AI must be an extension of the human will and should be equally distributed across human activity as much as possible. The company introduced its AI software Dall-e in January last year, with goals that match its intentions with AI manufacturing. Dall-e can produce images on demand. You just enter the requirements in text form, and within 10 seconds, the AI will produce several unbelievably realistic images. What blows the mind is that there isn't any backdata from which the program can take inspiration. All of the images that you see right now were created 100% by AI. The program uses the entire internet to render variations of images that the user requests. Dall-e is truly remarkable, and every user that accesses the program takes some time to fathom its immense accuracy. Dall-e has improved since last year, and the updated version, Dall-e 2, was presented in April this year. The ability to take account of lighting, exposure, and all aesthetic factors is a human skill. Guess not anymore. Dall-e 2 has exceeded all expectations and can produce images that take care of all these factors. You simply can't believe that it's the work of a computer and not a person. Anything that you can describe, Dall-e can bring to life. Not only can it produce images from scratch, but it can also regenerate images that you put into the system. Take this image, for example. The user has entered his image into the program, and there you go. Within seconds, the AI has reorganized all the components and presented spectacular, regenerated models of the prompt image. Another astounding feature of it is that it's also able to interpolate. This means that you can make the AI insert an object into a pre-existing image without tampering with the image itself, and even delete a component from it. Look at some of these results. How it works. The AI takes care of all parts of your image requirement. You want a realistic image? You've got it. A digital format? You can have that too. A pixelated image? Why not? You can even enter what exposure and what focal length you want. Just describe it, and you get it. As unrealistic as it may seem, Let's look at how this fascinating AI works. The mechanism behind Dall-e 2's image production is simple. First, the user enters the image description and components that they would like to have in the text encoder, which essentially assigns numbers to graphical characters like human language. The text prompt's conversion to a visual image is done using CLIP technology. CLIP, or Contranstive Language Image Pre-training, is a computer vision model trained on hundreds and millions of images with related captions. CLIP knows precisely how much a text prompt should relate to the resulting image. It knows the link between textual and visual representations of the same abstract object. Second, the model known as prior is there to map the corresponding image encoding. It captures the prompt information from the text encoding. Third, the image is produced, or should we say, a range of related images is produced. Safety and uses. AI falling into the wrong hands is something that none of us wants to encounter. To prevent the production of violence, hate, or nudity in images, OpenAI has limited AI's ability to even generate them. This means that no one can produce and publish fake images of celebrities or famous people breaking the law or conducting themselves in socially unacceptable ways. The team behind Dall-e 2 achieved to do this by minimizing the use of the most explicit content in Dall-e's training. Another safety aspect is that the AI can't develop photorealistic images of the faces of actual individuals or famous celebrities. Their content policy also restricts anyone from generating violent, adult, or political content. The makers have diminished any chance of AI misuse by keeping automated and human monitoring systems. This feature keeps an eye on and filters out any text or image prompt violating their terms of use. With major safety concerns out of the way, Dall-e 2 is a fascinating AI that can extend our imagination and even help with designs. Suppose you want to build a house with particular features. You input your requirement in text and voila, a whole range of marvelous design inspirations produced in seconds. Product design can also be made a lot easier with this technology. Future. This technology may be beyond our wildest imaginations and a milestone for AI. However, the encroachment of AI on human jobs is a concern to many. In the case of Dall-e, many artists have expressed serious concerns about the future of their careers. If AI does everything, what will humans do? Where will it lead the future of creativity, art professionals, and entire business models? Only time will tell. Boundaries seem an insignificant word when it comes to digital advancements. Engineers consistently produce marvelous creations, and at this pace, the sky is the limit. What do you think of Dall-e 2? Do you think it will soon replace human art? Is the artist's career in danger? Tell us in the comments section. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like our video, share it with your friends, and blow their minds. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our new informative videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.